Hi, this is Austin from SkipperBud's. Come check out this beautiful 32-foot Aquila we have, brand new. Twin 300s with joystick piloting. Beautiful boat, catamaran hulls, handles the water great. Tons of seating here in the back with a table. Huge boarding ladder off the back on the swim platform there. It's got a generator as well as AC down in the cabin. Lots of space to lay down in here. All your controls right there. Nice helm seat, flip-flop seat right there. You've got your stove, fridge, nice bow seating. And then on this side, nice size wet head. Also air conditioned. Full hard top with skylights. Give us a call.